Standard 10, Chapter 2, the President and the Vice President. Already we have started with the President. Now we are starting with the qualification for the election of President. First, President shall be eligible for the election of the President if he is the citizen of India. First, of nationality means he is the citizen of India. Second, the exact age for the president, he is completed 35 years of age. For the again I repeat old questions. For the Rajya Sabha member, the age is 30 years, and the Lok Sabha member, the age is 25 years, and for the president is age 35 years. Now he is qualified for the election as a member of Lok Sabha. The person shall not eligible for the election as a president if he holds any profit or office under the government of India of any state under the local and the authority subject control to the said government. Means he is not a government employee in any field like railways, banks, electricity board, whatever it is, every field related to the government sector, he is, if he is employed or he is taking any profit under the government, he is not eligible for the election of the president. President holds or who holds the office as a president shall be eligible for the re-election of that office. Means president is re-elected after the term of 5 years. Means after the 5 years he is re-elected. That is not compulsory ki once he is elected for the president and next time he will not be eligible. Sometimes it may be re-elected. The term of the election after the office term is for the president is 5 years. Now we are discussing about the elections. So election of the president is indirect, but the election is done by the electoral college. How the electoral college consisted of, means the composition of the electoral college. The president elected indirectly. The members of the electoral college consisted of elected member of the both houses of the parliament, means both houses of the parliament, Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Second, the elected members of the legislative assemblies of the state, including union territory, capital union territory and the union territory of the Puducherry. Only 2 union territories are included. One is the Delhi and the second is Puducherry. Third, the 50 proposer and 50 secondaries, mean 50 proposers, both houses, MPs and MLAs all together with the 50 proposers, and the secondaries who pass the nomination then will be elect the president. Now the question is how the election of president is held, or the election. The answer is the election of the president of the held in the accordance with the system of proportional representation